Hi, I'm Jake and welcome to another instruction from Ludlow Thompson. This is just fresh onto the market, so let's go and have a look.
So here we are into the property, and to our right, so this is the first bedroom. So as you can see, you have your double bed. This property comes fully furnished, so in here you have your chest of drawers and your wardrobe ahead, and you can see the windows allowing beautiful natural light to flood right through. And as we head out, as you can see, the space to our left here is the bathroom. So this property has two bathrooms. This one's the main one. So you've got your toilet sink area with your bath. So you've got your bath and shower just there. And before we go into the second bedroom, in here is a bit of storage space, which is always useful. And then here we are to our right, and we've got a large sort of area here. As you can see, you've got your double bed with your chest of drawers to your left and your wardrobe on the right hand side. And this looks out onto the car park. And remember, you have one parking space, which I'll show you later. And then just over here, if I just swivel the camera, this is your ensuite bathroom. So again, you've got your shower tray with your toilet and sink. Now here we are into the living space, really large space in here. You've got your sofas which face the front of the property, allowing beautiful natural light to come right in. And as you can see, you've got your dining space just behind the sofas there as well. So just through here is your kitchen. So you've got your fridge freezer on the left, and as you can see, bottom right there is your dishwasher, and then just slightly to the left here is the washing machine. So you've got ample storage and very good lighting.
So that was the property. If you'd like to find out some more information or ask us any questions or indeed arrange a viewing, then you'll find the contact details along with a link to the property in the comment section below. Thank you very much.